Zane, do you ever think about your childhood memories?
All the time. Some of them still make me smile. What about you?
Same. Yesterday I found an old photo and suddenly everything came back.
Oh, nice. What kind of photo was it?
It was me and my siblings playing in the backyard. We used to build tiny houses with boxes.
That's cute. My siblings and I always fought for the last piece of cake at home.
Really? Who usually won?
My younger sister. Somehow she always got it. I still don't know how.
Younger siblings have superpowers, I think.
True. Did you have any funny family traditions?
Yes. Every Sunday we made crazy sandwiches. Everyone added one strange ingredient.
That sounds amazing. What was the weirdest one?
Peanut butter with pickles. My brother loved it for some reason.
Ha! Kids think everything is normal.
What about your neighborhood? Any memories?
Oh, yes. We had one big tree where all the kids used to meet after school.
Like a secret meeting place?
Exactly. We called it the King Tree.
Nice name. Did you climb it?
Yes, and I fell from it too. Only once. Still unforgettable.
Ouch. I once fell off my bicycle while trying to race my cousin.
Childhood races were the best. No rules, just pure confidence.
And no fear. I don't know how we were so brave.
Or so silly.
True. What about school memories? Something funny?
Oh, yes. Once I accidentally walked into the wrong classroom and sat there for 10 minutes.
No way. Didn't anyone say anything?
The teacher finally asked, "Are you visiting us today?"
That must have been embarrassing.
Very. What about you?
I once forgot my lunch and my mom came to school wearing slippers to give it to me.
That's adorable.
My friends talked about it for weeks.
Mothers always do the sweetest things.
Yes, I miss her morning breakfasts the most.
I miss my mom's bedtime stories. She always added extra characters to make it fun.
Oh, that's so nice. Childhood felt so simple.
Very simple. No stress, just imagination.
And endless energy.
True. Do you still keep anything from your childhood?
Yes, I have a small diary where I used to draw my daily life. What about you?
Wow, that's a treasure. I kept my old toy car. The wheels don't even move now, but I can't throw it away.
That's sweet. These small things carry big emotions.
They really do. Feels warm to remember those days.
Yes, sometimes thinking about childhood gives you a little peace.
Exactly. It reminds you of who you were and where you came from.
And it always brings a smile.
True, some memories never fade.